Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into something really cool, a type of AI that can see the future. Not our future, mind you, but the future of machines. We're going to explore how this tech knows when a piece of equipment is about to break down, which, as you can imagine, saves companies a ton of time and money.
Yeah, just think about that for a second. What if you knew exactly when a critical piece of machinery was about to give out? We're talking about a jet engine, a turbine at a power plant, or even a robotic arm on a factory floor. The implications of that are just huge. It really is a powerful question. Because, when machines break down unexpectedly, it's a huge, expensive headache for pretty much every industry out there. An entire operation can just grind to a halt. So, to really get why the new way is so revolutionary, we first have to look at how things used to be done. Right. So, traditionally, you had two main ways of thinking. The first one is what we call reactive maintenance. It's basically the wait until it breaks strategy. You just wait for something to fail, and then everybody scrambles to fix it. Super costly, tons of downtime. Then you have preventative maintenance. This is a bit better. You fix things on a set schedule, like changing your car's oil every 3,000 miles. But the problem is, you often end up doing work that isn't even needed, wasting perfectly good parts and time. Honestly, both ways are just not very efficient. Exactly. There has to be a smarter way, right? Well, there is. And that's where this new idea comes in, predictive maintenance, or PDM for short. And predictive maintenance is a total game changer, seriously. Instead of reacting to problems or just guessing based on a calendar, it's completely proactive. It uses a ton of real-time data and some pretty sophisticated machine learning to actually forecast a failure before it happens. This means you can schedule repairs at the perfect moment, not too early, not too late. I love that analogy. It really is like a doctor for machines. Imagine a doctor constantly checking a patient's vital signs, their heart rate, their temperature, all of it, looking for those tiny early signs of sickness. That's exactly what this AI is doing, but for machines. And this really gets to the heart of it. Machines almost never just die without warning. They give off signals first. It might be a super tiny change in temperature, a weird new vibration, a slight dip in pressure. You get the idea. It's like they're whispering that something's wrong. And predictive maintenance is all about teaching an AI to hear and understand those whispers.
Okay, so that's the big idea. But this is where it gets really fascinating. How does the AI actually do it? How does it turn a bunch of raw data into a specific prediction that something's about to fail? Let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Okay, so this diagram here shows the whole journey from start to finish. Alex, can you walk us through what we're seeing? Absolutely. You can think of it like a three-step detective story. Step one, listen to the machine. You've got all these sensors hooked up to the equipment, and they're just constantly gathering data. Vibrations, temperature, sounds, you name it. Step two, find the clues. This is where the AI comes in as our super detective. It sifts through all that data looking for tiny, subtle patterns and changes that no human could ever hope to catch. And finally, step three, make the call. Based on what it finds, the AI model makes a prediction, flags a potential failure, and can even estimate how much time the part has left. And when we say a ton of data, we are not kidding. Get this. A single machine can spit out something like 5.4 million data points in just 1 hour. There is no way a person could ever process that much information in real time. It's just impossible. And that's exactly why you need AI for a job like this. So this is a perfect example of what the AI is actually listening for. See on the left? That's the nice, steady vibration pattern, the vibration signature of a healthy machine. Now look at the right. It's a lot more chaotic, right? Those are the deviations. To us, it might look like a small difference, but the AI is trained to see these signatures and instantly spot the tiniest change that says, hey, something's wrong here, like a bearing starting to wear out. All right, so the theory is amazing. It all sounds great on paper, but let's get to the bottom line. Does this stuff actually work? How accurate are these predictions, really? That is the million-dollar question, isn't it? And the answer is, yeah, it works. The data is pretty clear. What you're looking at here is a test of 3 different AI models. And as you can plainly see, every single one of them scored above 95% accuracy in telling whether a machine was healthy or not. That's really impressive. And if you look closer at the numbers here, one model in particular, the random forest or RF model, really stands out. It hit 98% accuracy. 98%. That means it was right 98 times out of 100. When you're talking about preventing massive industrial failures, that level of reliability is exactly what you want to see.
And this chart, which is called a confusion matrix, gives you a great visual of just how accurate it was. So for that top model, it looked at almost 200 cases. It correctly flagged 95 healthy machines as healthy and 102 faulty machines as faulty. And look at the mistakes. There were only 3. That's it. It's just a fantastic visualization of how good this AI is at telling the good from the bad.
Okay, so we've established it works, and it works really, really well. So now let's pull back a bit and look at the big picture. What does this mean for the world, and where is this all heading? While the impact is already massive, look at this list. We're talking aviation, where it's making flying safer by predicting engine issues. We're talking healthcare, making sure life-saving equipment is always good to go. Power plants, trucking fleets, even making sure the machines that make our food and drinks don't break down. It's pretty much everywhere.
And believe it or not, this is just the beginning. The next big thing is something called explainable AI. So the AI won't just say, hey, this is going to break. It'll say, this is going to break, and here's why. And then, what's even crazier is the idea of hooking these AIs up to robots. So the AI could predict a failure and then send a robot to go fix it automatically. We are really talking about the future here.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? If AI is already this good at predicting when a machine will break, what else could it learn to predict? What about disruptions in the global supply chain or shifts in the stock market? The possibilities are just kind of mind-boggling.
That is a perfect question to leave things on. Thanks so much for joining us for this deep dive. If you want to keep learning about all the amazing things AI is doing, definitely hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.